All right, this is going to be The Boys Are Back in Town by Thin Lizzy. We're going to start out with this A power chord, and we are detuned to half step all the strings for this one. Okay, so here goes A power chord. We got B power chord, D power chord. So the first one's on a downbeat, like 2, 3, 4. These are on upbeats, and then they're all on upbeats after that. So we got 4 of those. And downbeat for the verse on that A. So the little riff in there was like something like that. So we got 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 2, 2. Something like that. So we got dee da 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 da. You could do it kind of either way, but B to D, back to A, and okay, then the verse starts. So that first downbeat is that first A is a downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we got an upbeat on this C sharp minor 7. So that's A string starting down. We got 4, 6, 4, 5, 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And that one can get a little strums. Not really the rest of them too much. Maybe this D that's next, but we got D. And then we just start hitting them and letting them ring out. That's an F sharp minor. So this D was 5, 7, 7, 7. F sharp minor is 2, 4, 4 with the 2s underneath. Back to the C sharp minor 7. Back to the F sharp minor 7. Then we have a B minor 7. And then we have this chord that's like a D on the bottom, but it has the 2 and the 2 from an E power chord. So it ends up being open 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. Okay, so interesting chord there. So once again, on our verse, we got C sharp minor again, F sharp minor, B minor 7 to that weird chord. Back to the A. Now this time we're going to F. 8, 10, 10, 10. Back to the C sharp minor 7. And then the F sharp minor 7, F sharp minor. And then we got our B minor 7 to that weird one again. And then we're into the chorus. So one more time through everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Verse. Second half to the F. Back to this for the chorus. So there's one guitar that just does these chords. Now we got our lead. Okay, so let's look at that. We lead in with this 7 to 9. So we hit 2, 7, or we hit a 7 and then we hammer on to the 9. And you want to have those fingers so you can reach that 6 down here in the G string. So 6, 6 to 7. Do that twice. We got that 9th fret of the G, back to that 7. So that was 7, 7, 7. 6 to the 9 on the D. So we got starts on that 6 again. Then this one ends with a. So we're bending up that 7 on the G, regular 7, 6, 7, 7, 5 to the A. Next verse. Back to the chorus. So these are 3 times in this section of the song. It was 4 the first time. Now we got our riff again. Now that one just does it regular, it doesn't have that extra. It just does that riff twice. Now there's a harmony part that goes with this. What it is it's the 7 and the 9 on the A string going to the 7 and the 9 on the D string. You go to that 7 there. Okay, then earlier when that one had the other one had that riff. So its harmony for that one is. So it was bending up the 9 on the D, down to the 7, then this 9 on the A goes all the way to that 5, 4, 2, open A. So it's. Okay, so that's how we get into all that. Now this part we're going to have. We're going to go into this bridge. So this is a D sus. We got 2, 3, 3. We're going da 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 da. So it's 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. We get triplets. And then we have 2 sets of that da 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 bum bum bum. Okay, so that's like the last 2 beats have a triplet like bum bum bum. C sharp minor 7, F sharp minor, B minor 7. To that wacky chord there. I'm not sure what you call that. That's like a D, it's like a E, or an E power chord down here. Kind of like an E sus, minor 7, 9. I guess you could call it that. So anyway, this new part, we're gonna have bum, 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 C sharp minor, F sharp minor, C sharp minor 7, I mean. F sharp minor, B minor 7. To that E kind of sus 7 thing. F sharp minor, we kind of hold that, and then we're gonna have this again. Bum bum bum. Same chords. And then we're to a new verse. Next part. Up to the F. Chorus. Then it gets real chill. So we do 4 times this time, and the last 2 are really chill. Because it's going to lead into this solo. So that was 9 to 6 on the G. And then 6, 7, 9 to the 7 on the D. Do it again. Then we got D power chord, E power chord. Do it again. D power chord, E power chord. And then we're into, but before we do that, we gotta look at the harmony part for the, so that's gonna be 11 on the D, to the 7, and then 5, 7, 9, 9 on the A, and then the same chords, D power chord and E. So we got 11 to 7, 5, 7, 9, 9 on the A, and again. And then we got and then the harmony of that. Now we have some other harmonies coming in. We got so that's 10 on the second to 9 on the G. Hammer into that 11. Little 9 to the 9 on the G. Then 12, 12, 12, 12. Back to the beginning. Then we got one more. We got, so we got little 9 and 10, hammer into the 12. Little 12, 10. So let's look at these again. We got and then the very last one at the end is kind of like a little 12 to 14 on the second. Going into that 15. So that goes up to 17 and 17. Hammer into that 19. All right, so that's 5 different lines going on right there. So the boys are back in town. Thin Lizzy, hope y'all dug that. Talk to you soon.